Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Beauty and Lifestyle. Today we are going to show you how to make delicious base momos using an electric rice cooker. This easy and convenient method will save you time and effort, so let's get started. Now let's prepare the dough. Combine the all-purpose flour, water, salt and little oil. Knead the mixing until you have smooth and soft dough. Cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for about 30 minutes. While the dough is resting, let preparing the filling in a pan. Heat some oil and sauce the minced garlic, ginger and green chili. Add the chopped vegetable and cook until they are tender. Season with salt and pepper to taste.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste.
Once the dough has rested, divide it into small balls. Roll each balls into a thin circle and place a spoonful of the vegetable filling in the center. Fold the dough over the filling, pinching the edges together to seal the momos.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
Now it's time to cook our momos. Grease the steaming tray of your electric rice cooker with some oil to prevent the momos from sticking. Arrange the momo on the tray, making sure they don't touch each other. Fill the rice cooker with water according to the manufacturer instructions and place the steaming tray inside and close the lid and set the rice cooker to the steam setting. Steam the momos for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the dough is cooked though.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever.
Once the momos are cooked, carefully remove them from the rice cooker and serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauce. And there you have it, delicious veg momos made in an electric rice cooker. We hope you enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget to like, share, comments and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. Thank you.